Hello guys, so today I will be doing an unboxing video for you of the all new 2015 PS4 Ultimate Player Edition. This is the 1TB edition with the Star Wars Battlefront game included. The model this year is the CUH1216B. So let's see what comes in the box. We have wired headset, HDMI cable, user's manual, joystick, power cable, PS4 power cable, and the game itself, Battlefront. So guys, this is the top of the box. I hope you're as excited as me to see what's inside. So let's go and crack the box open. So let's go ahead and pull the box containing the PS4 out. So this is what comes in the box. Here we have the PS4, oh my, wireless DualShock 4. We'll come back to it later. Never stop playing. And just some instruction manuals that we never read. Here we have the PS4 power cable, PS4 headset with the microphone, controller power cable, and they included HDMI cable. Now guys, let's see what's behind this door. Oh yeah. It's the game Battlefront 4, PlayStation 4. And I'm hoping this is the main system itself. Now let's go ahead and try to unbox it without breaking it. Oh my god. It's very small comparing to the PS3. Now, oh my god, here it is, the beast, wow, insane. This is the last time it will be this clean. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the system. It's very nice, very light. Let's just go around the system. So in the front we have the Sony logo, the disk slot, we have eject button and power button. They aren't touch sensitive anymore, they are clickable. Here we have two USB ports for gamepad or joystick for USB flash drive, and here we have the PS4 logo. Let's go on the top of the system. Here we have the beautiful LED line. Here we have the PS logo. Let's see what's on the left side. Here we have HDMI, we have Dolby and Blu-ray and DTS HD logos. Let's see what's on the back. On the back we have optical digital out, aux, HDMI out and LAN, and the power cable plug. But I can't see the button for turning the system off completely like there was on the previous successor PS3. And there is nothing on the right side of the system. Now let's go and place the system aside and focus on the PS4 controller. Ta-da! Wow, it is very light. Nice quality. And a bit bigger and slimmer than the PS3 controller. Oh, this is clickable. Nice. So yeah, let's put that to the side and see the headset that is included. So here is a clip for clipping it onto yourself, a on and off microphone switch, and one piece in-ear headphone headset. Well guys, this is it of my unboxing of the PS4. I hope you enjoyed. This was my first ever YouTube video. I will be doing a gameplay of the Star Wars Battlefront. So if you're interested, like the video or maybe even subscribe. Thanks for watching.